What's going on, y'all? So I'm not sure if y'all was wondering why I haven't been posting videos as regards to Blue Devil. And if you don't know who Blue Devil is, that is my 2005 bird, Trans Am. No, it's not a Trans Am. But at the moment, I'm still trying with her right now. You know, I do have a life, so I've been really busy. But as of now, if you guys didn't know, for you new people, I changed my timing chain on her. I did coil packs, spark plugs, just the whole tune-up. And now she doesn't have any compression on cylinder 6, which means it could be possibly a head gasket problem, maybe an intake manifold gasket. So with that being said, I probably won't be working out with the V6. I'll probably get a V8 in her, a LS1, maybe a LS6 if I can find one. So that just about sums it up, guys. I've just been busy. I've been working on other projects. I'm trying to maintain my Instagram to you know, start up an audience. I can get my fan base up so I can then direct them to my YouTube channel. It's kind of a hard work. I'm out here trying to network with other people too. So, but at the moment, I'm doing everything by myself, which isn't easy, by the way. You guys don't know, it's not easy. So I'm just trying to stay positive, you know, because we're all humans. We have our days where we're up and down. And I done had a couple of those days. With that being said, never fail in hell. Don't give up in hell. You came this far. If you're going through hard times, don't give up. Never give up. Because most time when people give up, their blessing tends to be right around the corner when they're giving up. So they don't never see their blessings. Get some exercise in right now, y'all. I will bring y'all with me on a walk. It's a nice ass day though. That's one thing I can say. Woo! Okay, I just came up the big hill, y'all. I just came up the big hill. You know, as I was walking, I thought of something. My girl, she told me this when she was on the way to work one day. She was like, she was tuned in into Steve Harvey, the radio station. And she was like, he said that if you're going to give up, don't give up in hell. And that stuck to me today because I woke up, and I don't know if this happens to a lot of people, but you ever wake up in the morning and you tell yourself what you're going to do for that day and you don't do it. You find yourself just lounging around and just basically wasting time. And most importantly, wasting a day, you know? So with that being said, I was sitting down and I had told myself what I was going to do today. Like, you know what? I'm going to try to work on my car or find something to do that's productive. And I said, I'm going to work on my car, see what I can get done. And what got me up is the fact that, you know, what she said she heard Steve Harvey say, which was, don't give up in hell. My point that I am making is, when you tell yourself that you're going to do something and you don't do it and you fall off, even for a brief second, whether that's 5 minutes or so, you've given up. You've given up in hell for those brief moments. Don't give up in hell. That's all I'm trying to say. My goal is to become a great person, to inspire people. You know, I want to do YouTube, hopefully. Well, I know for a fact I want to do YouTube. I want to grow my channel and just become the best that I could possibly become. And some loud car. I'm walking on the street, by the way. But I just want to become the best version of myself. I can sit here and talk all day long, guys, about inspirational facts. But let's continue to this walk. We will get back into it. Whew. I'm a little winded. Just went on like a 2-mile walk around the neighborhood. Finally made it back to the house now. Sitting on my baby. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Seriously, all jokes aside, and you actually took something positive from it. Because no matter what you're going through, you can get through any situation you put your mind to. There's nothing that's too hard for you. It may seem hard, but when you go through those things, bad things, whatever you may call them, it's the reason why you go through those things. It's because something is great around the corner from you. And with that being said, please like and subscribe to my channel, because this is Tez TV. I'm bringing you guys the raw, the real, some of everything. I'm gonna let the world see. Stay tuned, because I got a lot of more things that I'm finna do to her. It's only a matter of time. Like I said, just stay tuned, bear with me. And if I'm not uploading videos every day about my car, I'm gonna be uploading videos about my life and just basically my progress. Thank you. Peace.